Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
This is a 6GB RAM version, so let's start the unboxing. HMD Global controlled, Nokia officially launched the Nokia 7 Plus, alongside a couple of other models on February 25th. The Nokia 7 Plus, perhaps commanded the most attention, alongside the Nokia 8 edition. No word was given on the global rollout, but it seems Nokia plans to release the models simultaneously, in various regions. For China, Nokia unveiled the China version, through its WeChat page, and also revealed that the device will go on sale on March 7th, with its price starting at 2,299 yuan, $364. Basically, the specification of the Nokia 7 Plus China edition is the same as the one announced in Barcelona, Spain, except for some few differences. The device features a 6-inch IPS Full HD Plus display, with a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The display comes with a 500 nits brightness rating, and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The device also comes with a 6000 series aluminium unibody, and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, paired with 4GB of RAM, and there is 64GB of internal storage. China also gets a 6GB RAM plus 64GB version, and both storages are expandable up to 256GB. The device also runs stock Android 8.0, which Nokia says will be upgraded to Android 8.1 very soon. The camera aspect. The Nokia 7 Plus packs a 12-megapixel, wide-angle primary camera, with a f1.7 aperture, and 1.4 micron pixels, as well as a 13-megapixel camera, with a f2.6 aperture, and 2x optical zoom. The Duo is stacked in a vertical direction, and is accompanied by a dual-tone LED flash, and Zeiss optics. As for the front camera, the Nokia 7 Plus features a 16-megapixel, fixed focus offering, with a f2.0 aperture. Other features include a 3800 mAh battery, 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0. As for the price, the Nokia 7 Plus 4GB plus 64GB version is priced at 2,299 yuan, $364, while the 6GB plus 64GB version is priced at 2,499 yuan, $396. Pre-sale commences on February 26th. That is today, while the device will go on sale on March 7th. The Nokia 7 Plus will also be available offline, in more than 100 cities nationwide. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.